Hello, good afternoon children. So after a descriptive test, again we are here to discuss the next lesson. As you know that in first term, lesson number 1 to 7 was there. Lesson number 1 to 7 were there, and now I think term 1 is finished by this descriptive test. So now we are going to start next lesson, that is lesson number 8. Before that, just I want to discuss few things about your descriptive test. How do you feel in your descriptive test? How do you feel? It was easy, average, or difficult, or very difficult? Just I want to know from you people. Yes, easy. Yes, Tanvi Mangal is saying easy. Okay, very good. Yes, easy. Yes. Okay. So many of you are saying easy. So I hope that you will get good marks in your descriptive test, and in next chapters, in next classes also, we will learn in with our enthusiasm and with our interest. Because of children, one thing is there, if you are interested in learning the maths, then it becomes very easy. What is the funda of that maths? The funda of the maths is there. If your interest is there, then it becomes very easy. If you are not interested, then it becomes very difficult. And it is the subject in which you can score 100% by paying attention or by making some efforts. For this, one thing is very much required. What is that? You have to make the practice. You don't have to read it like other subject, like story. Reading is not required here. Whatever work is given there, whatever work is there done in the class, you have to do in your rough notebook again. What question you are getting, what worksheet you are getting, you must have to follow, and you have to complete it well in advance, because of the that worksheet is posted many days before, and after that some time is given to post on classroom and as an assignment, and some days are given for solving it and to post it. One important things I want to tell you, many of you are not aware about your answer key. What answer key is pasted, what answer key is posted to you, you must see. I am not saying that you just see the worksheet answer and just you write the answer. No, this is the wrong way. It is not correct way. The correct way is there. First of all, you solve on your notebook, and then you check from your answer key where is your mistake. You can find at that time, and when any doubt is there, then you can put up in the live class, and after that I can explain it to you. Okay? Because of that, it is not much space there. Whenever I am correcting it, so much space is not there. It is not possible to write all the answer there. Okay? So very limited space is there. Whenever you are making the PDF, space is not there. It is in very short pages are there. So it is difficult to write whole answer, so you can check from there and then you can check. Whenever you are checking and you are feeling that how it comes, what is the reason for that one, so you can note down that confusion, that doubts, and you can ask in your live class. I am very much interested to give your answer, I am very much interested to explain you again, but that efforts will be from your side. If you are asking the question, then I will tell the answer, I will explain again, and I am saying if you have doubt and many doubts are there, then I will explain the whole lesson again. So this is my habit, this is my interest. Another thing is I am telling you, this is one rule of the mathematics is there. Suppose from the table you are maintaining that, suppose that this table is there, this table is there, then if you are 2 feet away from that table and this table is your mathematics, if you are very close to this table, if you are interested and you are very close to this table, then the mathematics will come towards you. If you are in taking one step toward the mathematics, you are creating your interest toward the mathematics, then it will come 2 steps towards you. So if it will come 2 steps towards you, then it will be very easy and you will understand the concept and there will be no problem throughout the life. This is my challenge, I am telling you. But you have to create your habit, if you have to practice it, and you have to create your interest regarding this one. And one मूल मंत्र जिसको कहते हैं, जिसको हम जो बेसिक रूल है, that is we can say that कि you have to do it in practice. Whatever math you are doing, you do it practice. Don't read only. By reading, you will forget it again and you cannot explain whenever the requirement is there. Only one thing is there, which is to mug up and which is to practice again and again to read it, to recite it. But there is also writing. If you are doing very good, not writing, you are reciting it. I am telling about the multiplication table. As I told you, multiplication table is backbone of mathematics. It is backbone of the mathematics. So remember it. So multiplication, if it is coming or not coming in this lesson, next lesson, but somewhere it will come, and this multiplication is helpful forever. In which class you are going, even in higher class also if you are going, then there also you will need this multiplication table. If you have confidence, full confidence in multiplication table, then your multiplication, your division will never be wrong. Always it will be correct. Okay? So what we feel, what we observe, that the problem is there for the children in division and multiplication. So you have to this one, and you have to create your interest like this one. Okay? Now we are coming to our lesson. That the lesson name is, that lesson number 8 is there, cards and wheels. This part 1 is there, cards and wheels. What is the meaning of the lesson, cards and wheels? Do you know what is card? What is card? Anyone there? What is card? Card? Anybody? Tell me. What is card? Yes? What is card? This is the vehicle by which, yes, bullock cart is there, horse cart is there, so many there, the hand cart is there. Yes, very good. So many carts are there. So carts means it is the vehicle on which we can carry the goods from one place to another place. And in this cart, one is that the 2 carts are there, that as by the name, bullock cart and horse cart, that is called tonga also. So these two carts are driven by animals. And then camel cart is also there and hand cart is there, by as the name is there, so it is driven by hand, जिसको हम कहते हैं हिंदी में ठेला. हैंड कार्ट इज ठेला. और उसको बुलक कार्ट बैलगाड़ी है, ऊंट गाड़ी है, और टोंगा जिसको कहते हैं कह सकते हैं कि तो डिफरेंट नेम इज देयर. सो दिस इज कार्ट. एंड वाई this name of the cart is given here, and after that wheels are also given. Have you seen any carts without wheels? Have you seen any carts without wheels? Yes, tell me, have you seen any carts without wheel? No. Very good, you are answering correctly. Without wheel we can't see the carts. It cannot roll, it cannot roll down. So that wheels are there. And how the wheels are there? What is the shape of wheel? What is the shape of wheel? Can you tell me what is the shape of wheel? Anybody? Anybody can tell me what is the shape of wheel? Circle. Yes, very good. So what is our lesson? Lesson is we have to discuss about the circle and circular things. This is the concept, this is introduction for this lesson. So just name is carts and wheels. By making it interesting, the name is given, what name you know very well, so that name is given. Otherwise the concept behind this carts and wheel is we have to discuss about the circle. So whenever we see around us in our surrounding, then we can see many circular things. Can you tell me some name? Can you tell me some name of the circular things which are the circular, which is the circular things are there? Can you name some? Give the some name. Just I want to wait your answer. Yes, this is, yes, glass is there, ball is there. Ball, beta, it is not circular. This is the we can say that confusion. Okay, I will tell you. Bangle is there, very good. Coin is there, very good. Tire is there, very good. Wheels are there, very good. Apple. Apple is not circular. Apple is not circular. You can't say that it is a complete circular. So, so many answers we have there. So just I want to make it clear that this what one example was given, that is a ball. Ball is not circular, it is, you may say that is spherical. That the difference, whenever go to the higher class, then you will find that it is the spherical, it is not circular. Just I want to tell you that there in a lower class also, just you have discussed about that one. The basic shape in second standard you have discussed the basic shape. Basic shapes, you can see that there are the four basic shapes are there. Four basic shapes are there. What is? First of all, we take as a square. One square is there. This is the one basic shape. It is square. Now another basic shape is just we make one longer side and then we take it. Then it is called a rectangle. This square, this is rectangle. And then third one is there. We can take as it is triangle. It is the triangle. And then another one is there, just we can say it is here circle. Okay. So these are called a basic shape. It is basic shapes. In mathematics there are four basic shapes. In mathematics there are four basic shapes. So if we are that these are the things, the square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Whenever we are saying that the basic shapes, then we can say if any item, any object is there, if any object is there, then there is about the object, we will not say that it is a circle, it is rectangle, it is like this one. It is shape is there, this you will say that it is square, it is rectangular, it is triangular, and it is circular. Circular from circle, triangular from triangle, rectangular from rectangle, and the square remains same. There is no difference. So these are 4 shapes. So many shapes you have discussed about this one. We have to discuss here only one thing here in this lesson, that is called the circle. About the circle we have to discuss. So circle, if we are discussing about the circle, then you have asked so many examples of the circles are there. So make it clear that balls are not circle, it is spherical, it is the 3-dimensional things. So that you will learn in higher classes, means 6th, 7th standard you will learn. So that is the spherical 3-dimensional object is there. But here it is, whenever we are taking a bangle is there. Okay, bangle is it is a circular. Okay, plate you have seen, it is circular. We can say it is circular. And if tumbler is there in your house, the steel tumbler, glass tumbler, so many tumblers are there. That is, it is the bottom or the top of the tumbler, steel tumbler or the glass tumbler is a circular. I have this bottle of this hand sanitizer. Then if you see the bottom of that bottle, that is also a circular. Okay. So many things are there by which we can make a circle by tracing. For example, if we are taking like this one, then you can trace a circle by using this, and we can make a circle. So the tracing is there, we can make a trace like this one. So this is a circle. So same way, if you are taking that plate, bangle, some other objects, so many objects are there. If you are taking, then by that you can put on there and you can trace the this circle. Okay. So this is the concept about the about our circle, and many circular things are there. So we can just write a circle. So how can we explain a circle? How can we explain a circle? Okay, tell me, how can you explain? And one more thing, just I want to take you. So if we are just making this circle, we are making the circle, then we can use the rope also. By the rope also we can make a circle. We can make a circle by using a rope. Just like suppose it is very big. So if we are taking this chalk is there, and next time I will bring the geometry box and I will tell you. Today I forgot, I have taken, but I forgot it. Next time I will take. So if we have a rope, and with the help of rope, just we can make the circle. And how? Just we put a point there, a point, and suppose this rope is there, and if we are moving like this one, then we can make a circle like this one by holding this one end and moving the other end, then we can make a circle. If you see, then it is like this. When we are tracing it, then we are getting like this. Okay, and this is the point. Okay, around which we are moving the other end of the chalk. With the same way, we can take the other things also, we can trace it, and this was a small chalk, and if we are, suppose this is the small rope and this is the big rope. So if we are taking the big rope and we trace the circle, then will we get the bigger circle or the smaller circle? If we are taking the longer rope, then we get the bigger circle or a smaller circle. Yes, anybody? Yes, bigger circle or smaller? Yes, bigger circle we are getting. Yes, very good. So you can see, if we are taking this one point of this pen, and then we are moving like this one, and this point should be fixed here. Okay, that point should be fixed here. This is the point is there. This should be fixed, and we make we just move around this point, and like this we can get a circle. We can get a circle like this one. Okay. So in that way we can draw circle by taking the rope, and some other instruments are there in our geometry box. They, by that also we can draw the circle. So here you are just playing many games using the circles. Many games you are using to play the games. So that circle is required there. So here, if we want to explain a circle, then how can we explain? If we take a rope and we hold it one end of the rope and move at one point and move the another end, then we get a circle. Okay. So there are some elements, or we can say that the some part of the circle, we can say some elements, some things are drawn in a circle, that is required there, and we will use in lesson also. You have heard about the radius or something like that. So if first of all we are just explaining it. So first here we talk about the circle. If we hold a rope at a fixed point and move the other end of the rope, we get a circle. We get a circle. Same thing is applied for the compass also. With compass also, in compass also, one needle of the compass is there, and tomorrow next day I will show to you, and we will fix here, and that pencil end we will move here, and then we will get the circle. So this is the circle. Now one more thing is there. We are fixing, we are just make the one end of the rope. Okay. Here one thing, if we hold a rope at one end, here at one end at a fixed point. Okay, that was the left here. If we hold a rope at one end at a point, at a fixed point, and move the other end of the rope, then we get a circle. Like this one, we are taking holding, and you can play the game also. Okay, like this one. Now, where the one end of the rope is fixed, what do we call that point? Many of you are knowing. What do we call that point where we are fixing one end of the rope? So what is that point? Can you tell me? Anybody? Yes? Anybody? I am waiting your answer. Tell me. Yes, very good. Center. It is called a center. So we can explain it as center also. We can explain as center, that the middle point of a circle is called the center of a circle. Okay, of the circle. So what is the middle point? That middle point is called the center of the circle. So, and you may say that the point at which we hold, or the fixed point at which we hold the rope to draw a circle, that is called the center of the circle. Okay. Now another thing is there, just I want to tell you some more. Here I am giving it. Next we are taking as here. Suppose you are taking it, you join a line segment from the center to any point of the circle. From the center to any point of the circle. Now tell me, what do we say? What do we say? If we are joining the center of the circle and any point of the circle, then what we call it is radius. Very good. So it is called a radius. So how can we define it? That radius is the line segment drawn, or we can say line segment joining the center of a circle and any point of the circle. सर्कल का कोई भी point, here, anywhere, wherever we are joining, like this one, we can join here also, we can join here also, we can join here also. Okay, this is, then all these are called a radius, and this generally the center is represented by the letter English alphabet O. It is represented by the English alphabet as a O. Why it is represented? Because it is the circle and O is also in circular form. That is why common name is we are giving it. It is not necessary that only O we can write. We can write any alphabet, any English alphabet we can write. Okay, we can write it. So, but for convenient, because of it is the circle is there, we are talking about the circle. So we are just writing here O as the center of the circle. And if we are taking it here A, B, C, D, E, so many radii we can draw. We can draw it here. So here it is called the, any point of the circle is called the radius of the circle. Okay, radius of circle. Example, here we can write, this is OA, OB, OC, OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to OE. So many. I am writing here equal to, I am writing all equal to. Why it is equal to, I am writing, why I am writing equal to? Don't write A, B, C, D. No, not like that man. You must have to write as OA, OB, OC, OD. Don't write A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is wrong. Okay? Don't write it. You must have to write not A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is wrong thing. This radius is not, it is A, B, C, D is not radius. These are the points. These are the points. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These A, B, C, D, E. These are the points, not radius. It is not radius. So it is the OA, OB, OC, OD. But I am asking that why we are writing the, yes, very good. Swati is saying that because the length of each line is same. Means all radii are equal. All are equal. So from the center, each point of the circle is equal. Okay? So it means we can write all radii. Radii, why writing? Radii is the plural form of a radius. All radii of a circle are equal. Okay? And there are many radii in a circle. So this is what I told about the radius, or in plural form we can say it is the radii. So it is equal because of the distance between center to any point of the circle is always same. That is why how many line segment we will draw, all these will be same. Okay? So this is about the radii, and some more elements of the circle we will discuss, and now time is not allowing to us for discussing more. So just whatever I am writing, you note down and you remember it. It will help in your further classes also. Okay? So if you have any doubt, then you can tell me. No, Swati, how are you saying the diameter? These things we will discuss in next class. Okay? So we will discuss many more things. So many class we will take for this lesson. Okay? So be ready. Okay? So bye bye and have a nice day.